Hey, this is Akash, and I'll just quickly walk you through this campaign. So you can see this is a pretty solid campaign. Like we sent only 182 DMs in total. We got like 69 replies, and out of those 69 replies, we got like 50 interested prospects. I think this number is a bit higher. It's like 58 or 59. Like HeyReach sometimes does not marks all the leads as interested. This is an auto mapping feature. So yeah, it's like 58 or 59 interested prospects. So yeah, this is pretty solid. So the approach we took here is like we like created a filtered list of first degree ICP based prospects on our client's sales navigator, and then we exported that list and ran a deep research on that particular list for each of the prospects that we are reaching out to, and then crafted a personalized message around that research. And once that was done, we imported the list inside HeyReach, and then we launched the campaign. So I'll just show you how the messaging looked like. So basically, once the research was completed in the backend, it created a personalized TM like this. Like we created another agent that pulled the research that was performed using Claude web tool, and then it created personalized DMs like this. So hey, name. My team pulled a list of hiring managers at these three like type of firms. So these are the firms that this prospect that we are reaching out serves across these locations. So these are the locations also personalized for this particular prospects. So these are the locations where this prospect offers its services, and posting for these job titles. So basically, our client is a software based solution that provides personalized lists for a recruiter, and we were we launched a campaign for them. So basically, this entire message was personalized to the prospect, and this is like a similar kind of messages were like crafted for the other prospects as well. So it's like a value first approach where we are giving them value. So it shows like this kind of in-depth messaging shows that we have done our homework. We know what kind of industries they serve, what locations they operate in, and that the job titles they are currently helping other companies to hire for. So this is like in-depth research which shows our homework, and then we are sending we are not asking them for a call. We are just telling them, hey, can we just like send you the link to this list or something like that. And then of course, when you give them something, and if it's a solid offer, and a personalized offer like this, prospects get interested and they reply. So they're replying back saying that, hey, sure, I want to check out the list and so on. Once they respond back with like an interested message, what we are doing is we are tagging them as like a create list. Like we have created a create list tag, and we are tagging them with this particular tag. Once we are tagging them with this, what's happening, this particular N10 workflow in the backend is like getting auto triggered, and it's actually crafting the personalized list for the prospect. So if we go back to the message, so like we are sending them a list, like we are asking them, like asking to send them a list, right? So if we sit and manually make this list, it's going to take like too much burden on the team to like craft list for like 50, 60 interested prospect, right? That's why we created an automated system in the backend that is automatically generating a solid list based on whatever we have pitched to the prospect using this N10 workflow. Then once the list is generated, it's creating a ABX style landing page as well. You can see like there is a link in this message. This is an ABX style landing page that we have vibe coded and hosted it on Railway. So this is a personalized landing page. So if we open this landing page, you'll be able to see that like it's calling out the prospect, hi, the prospect's name, and then build a signal driven outreach system that puts you in front of decision makers with Harrington. So you can see like this element you. So right now the company name for this prospect was not available in the lead list. So that's why it like used a placeholder value here, but it's going to pull the company name and it's going to use the company name here as well. So system driven outreach system, signal driven outreach system that puts company name in front of decision makers with hiring intent. And then there is this personalized video. And then in the bottom, you can see like we have this button, which is also personalized list for name. And when the prospect taps on this, it auto plays this video. And it's basically a feature that we designed. So it makes the prospects wait for like a minute. It's like a random timer. Every time a new visitor visits this page, it's gonna simply set up a random time here. It makes the prospects wait and watch the video at least 80%. And then a button appears here with a download option. They can just simply tap on download once this timer ends, and they can just simply download the list. And once they like everything that they see on this landing page, they can simply grab a free consultation directly from here. Once they click on this, the calendar opens for booking a meeting with our client. So yeah, so this was the total strategy. So if you want to implement this or a similar system for your own business, or maybe you want to create an entire GTM engine for your SaaS or agency, you can just simply hit me up and we can set up a free consultation call. and then we can talk about it. Cheers, Akansh.